everyone, I'm back here and this will be my second part of previous video, India-Russia relationship. And yesterday I talked about how Russia helped us in early industrialization. They helped us plant steel planting, and they gave a technical training. They helped us to trade in rupees, and how they helped us in 1971 war, that is India and Pakistan war, which was for Bangladesh, liberation of Bangladesh. And they helped us, like what we did, I told you everything. Like we signed in the Indo-Soviet treaty, and how they helped us, like they sent their 10th operative battle in the Indian Oceans, and they used veto power to stop the resolution made by the USA, which was like USA was trying their best to stop the war against India. So Russia used its veto power, and now today I'll talk how they has helped us in technologies. So they has, like unlike other countries who only sell finished goods to us, Russia provided transfer of technology. It's like they helped us becoming a manufacture hub. Like they gave missile, BrahMos missile. It is a basically joint venture 50-50 partnership, and it is the world fastest supersonic cruise missile, and is now being exported by India to different countries like Philippines. Secondly, in Air Force, or you can say in air defense, they provided two you can say aircraft or air defense system, that is Sukhoi Su-30 MKI. And this is basically they let us manufacture Sukhoi Su-30 MKI locally in India. This is a fighter jet, and S-400 Triumph, and this is the world, you can say world's most advanced air defense system, which Russia delivered to us despite being of you can say massive pressure and threats of sanction from USA. They delivered this air defense to us. And third, like I told you 3 points. Now the fourth, they provided us T-90 Bhishma tanks. This is basically a massive fire power they provided us on the ground. And fifth, they provided us INS Vikramaditya, and I hope everyone knows about it, because it was the primary aircraft carrier. Originally it was from Russia. So yeah, they provided us INS Vikramaditya, and this is like a very famous and came like this INS Vikramaditya came in keep on coming in news. So yeah, and like they also and Russia is also the only country building nuclear power plant in our India. The Kundankulam nuclear power plant in Tamil Nadu, that provides thousands of megawatts of clean energy to South Indians. And so yeah, they also helped us in space. You can say that's Gaganyaan. Russia like trained first 4 astronaut, or you can say Gaganauts, for the upcoming, you can say, human space mission. So yeah, they has helped us in like in our defense, in our space system, in our space, in our nuclear, in our air force, in our navy, in our army. So like they have helped us very much. And they also share intelligence share. They also like keep on sharing intelligence with us. Firstly, they share satellite tracking. Like during 1971 war, which I shared in previous video. During 1971 war, they Soviets satellite tracked the movement of US and UK ships in Indian Oceans, and they provided the exact locations of those ships to our Indian Navy, which helped us to basically win the war. And secondly, they also provide military hardware to us, which is high-tech equipment like OSA class missile boats, which India used to carry out the Operation Trident, a very famous attack that destroyed the Karachi airport. So yeah, they share their intelligence sharing as well. So now I told you how they helped us in war, how they share intelligence sharing, how they helped us in defense platforms, and how they helped us in early industrialization. Now every country like share, you can say, a friendship is always a give and take relationship. Not only friendship, I think any relation is a give and take relationship. You can't only expect of taking or only giving. So yeah, the India does not only keeps on taking the things, they also provide things to them. Like what we provide to them, I'll tell you. So when the West UN and Europe put sanction on Russia, they stopped buying Russian goods, and there comes the India, and India stepped in. India buy massive oil from Russia, and India became the top buyer of Russian crude oil, and I think this gave the Russia the foreign exchange which they required to keep their economy flowing, or you can say running. And we also provide pharmaceutical to them. Like in 2024 to 25, we provided $520 million worth of pharmaceutical to them. And yeah, we also we export foods to Russia, like rice, coffee, tea. I think etc. We provide food security to them. And fourthly, we refuse to condemn. And basically this means, like, I'll explain you. When what happened at the UN, India has constantly abstained from resolutions that criticize Russia. So we are neutral at UN society, where so yeah, I was telling you about how we abstain from any resolution that is made against Russia. So we don't take any side of any other country. We are neutral. And lastly, I'll say, like, also from a massive pressure, despite from massive pressure from US, like the recent discussion in early 2026, India has refused to stop its trade with Russia. Like it has refused to stop its trades with Russia, saying nation's interest come first, which is right. For a country, before friendship, I guess nation interest come first. That's why our relationship keeps on changing with any other country. Like today we are friend with Russia, tomorrow we'll be friend with USA, then day after tomorrow we'll be enemy with USA, just because we are friend with Russia. So this relation keeps on going, just because for any country its nation interest come first, not their friendship. So yeah, and this prevents Russia from being completely isolated on the global level. So this is how we help Russia. And yeah, Russia helped us more in the past, but we are also helping. We are not at um, taking things from one hand. We are basically taking from one hand and giving from other hand as well. So yeah, that's it for today, and I hope today's video is little shorter than previous one. And yeah, this is the end of the topic of India Russia relationship, and I'll like try to make a video on India USA relationship as well, because I think relationship, if the relationship is clear with you can say, basically for me, if the relationship of other country is clear, then I think most of the topic of history I'll cover it from these videos, and it will help in my general knowledge as well, which I think I'll prepare for exams like SSC in future. So these topics are gonna help me, or if not, then also it's going to somewhere help me. So yeah, but tomorrow I am thinking of some other topic, because India USA relationship, I think I have to research a lot and then write, so it will take time. So yeah, I will make one video on that too. Yeah, please, if someone is watching, please let me know how do I improve my English, because I don't think so I am improving my English. Instead of that, I am improving something else. It's good, but my main motive is not improving my GK, it's improving English, and I don't think so I'm achieving that goal, because I'm speaking as I speak. There's no difference in my speaking. Okay, let's finish. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.